Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with the healthy and delicious recipe of Makhana Kheer or the Foxnut pudding. It can be honored even on Ekadashi. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. Take 1½ cup of Foxnuts or Makhana and roast it in the ghee. Once the Foxnuts are crunchy and you can break it like this, that means they are perfectly roasted. Take out half of the Makhanas. To the remaining half of Makhana, add half liter of milk.
I have boiled this milk once. Mix it in and let it boil.
Grind the Makhana kept aside coarsely.
They should be grinded like this, not too fine. We will then add it to the boiling makhanas. We will cover it and let the milk thicken. The milk has condensed to some extent. At this point, we will add 1/4 cup sugar and chopped dry fruits. Give it a stir, scraping the sides and let it cook for some more time. To this, add a pinch of cardamom powder. It's completely optional. After cooking for some more time, we get this consistency. After cooling, it will thicken more. So this is the perfect consistency. Put off the gas and let it cool for some time. Once cooled, our Makhana Kheer looks like this. Creamy and delicious. Take it out in a bowl and garnish it with dry fruits, and it's ready to be offered to the Lord. Prepare, offer and enjoy Makhana Kheer prasadam. Hare Krishna.